And this is biodiesel, the star of the show. All right? It's very pretty, and it's basically just processed, screened, cleaned, animal or vegetable oil. It can be all of it. This is the ribbon cutting of the grand opening of the very first Bridgeport Biodiesel facility. People in good times and bads are always going to eat at restaurants, and so we feel this is a very good way to take a waste product and increase Connecticut's recycling percentages, take a waste product and make it into a biodiesel, an alternate fuel. We will be able to employ 7 to 10 people per shift in good green manufacturing jobs.
So our goal is to reduce our environmental footprint at a greater pace, at a greater rate than any other city in the country. So one of the things that we're doing with the city to enable that to happen is creating this eco-industrial park here in the West End. It's going to be an absolutely exciting venture over the next 10 years. This business is the first one to open in this eco-industrial park.
We're a little of George Bush and a little of Van Jones. And George Bush said we're addicted to foreign oil, and we all agree with that, and we're trying to do something about it. And Van Jones said we've got to rebuild the cities by bringing green jobs to the cities and by getting ourselves off of foreign oil and into renewable resources. I think the thing that brings us all together today is that we're changing our language, and the word that we're changing is waste.
Yeah, it's about converting yellow grease into biodiesel, and it's about jobs. It's really about making the world a better place. It means getting us away from the addiction that we have to foreign oil that we import from places like the Middle East, where we have already spent way too much money.
The eco-industrial park that's on display and that this building and this project represents the first key step toward is going to be an inspiration, not just for Connecticut, but for the entire country and for the world. And we absolutely must pursue our environment agenda, our energy agenda, with an eye on economic growth, jobs, and prosperity across this state. And frankly, I would love to see, speaking of new language, Bridgeport become a center for 21st century materials management.